Did you know that you can get a failing Experian score if you have no established business credit, so long as Experian has your company's basic information like its name and address? Experian has several scores, including Intelliscore, that predict a business's risk of going over 91 days late or having a major financial issue like bankruptcy in the next 12 months. Lenders and credit issuers use your Experian Intelliscore to determine whether you should be given a loan, how much you should be given, and the rates you will have to pay. This score ranges from 1 to 100, with 100 being the best score you can get. The single most helpful thing you can do to get a good score is to pay your bills on time or early. The earlier you pay your bill, the better your score is going to be. For example, a score of 90 means you're paying as agreed, while a score of 95 indicates your business pays its bills early. Contact us today to learn more about getting business credit scores for your business.